It's exciting to stand here and reflect that that's going to happen. I can see it clear as day. Fort Wayne's been blessed with great health care, and the goal of this is just to add to it and make Fort Wayne even better.
An exclusive first look with the president of IU Health Northeast at the site that will be home to Fort Wayne's newest hospital in less than 3 years.
In 2027, this gravel behind me, that'll be a patch off Lower Huntington Road. It's right there now, and in I-69. It'll be the hospital entrance right there. The 500-plus employees will work in a space slightly larger than DuPont Hospital, so buckle up as we go off-road to see the future of Fort Wayne healthcare.
So there used to be a gravel road here.
Brian Bauer calls the news, officially released Monday, Fort Wayne's worst kept secret. He sees the vision and already knows what the lots near the hospital could be.
So everything from hotels to restaurants, could be future academic space for colleges.
And he's quick to point out the unique selling points of IU Health.
Largest and only academic healthcare system in the state of Indiana, the largest medical school in the United States, attached to a nursing school. I think it's going to provide patients with access to IU Health and staying in Fort Wayne. You know, I hear every week someone will stop me and say, you know, I had a heart transplant or a kidney transplant, or I'm receiving cancer care in Indianapolis, and now because IU Health is here, I don't have to make those trips back and forth. So this is the next evolution in that, and I think it's going to be great for Northeast Indiana, for our community, and hopefully continue to increase access and even lower the cost of care here.
Bauer says most patients want to get well quickly and go home, meaning the $421 million is going into care.
So this is going to be a beautiful hospital, but it's not going to have tremendous atriums. It's not going to have things that patients really don't care about when they're going to surgery or when they're in a room with their loved ones. And so it's going to be efficient, and it's going to be new and clinically advanced, but it's not going to be something you'll necessarily read about in Architectural Digest. We want to provide great care and get people home.
Which Bauer expects to lower costs for everyone.
You know, competition is good, and I think it'll raise the waters for everybody. We are trying to lower the cost of care here, our ambulatory surgery center, our outpatient clinics. That is the goal, to be good stewards of the employer's resources, because ultimately, when companies like Fort Wayne Metals or Sweetwater Sound or SDI can invest in more jobs and spend less on health care but still receive the same care, I think everyone wins. So that's been a guiding principle for us from day one here, is increasing access and reducing the cost of care.
On Wayne.com, Bauer explains why that site was chosen, how easy it might be to expand, and the importance of finding the right people to come work for IU Health. Still to come on Wayne 15's News at 6.